Hey y'all, it's Shelly. I wanted to quickly show you something that I actually got for a gift from the company VEVOR. It's been a total game changer for us. Yes, this is a fryer grease bucket, but it's not just used in the kitchen for grease. Yes, you can definitely use it for grease because you know how dealing with used fryer oil can be such a hassle, whether you're spilling it everywhere or running out of space in those tiny containers. This bucket is huge. It has 8 gallons of space, which means no more running back and forth to get empty containers when you need containers for waste oil. It also has locking clips and a sealing ring, so no spills or leak, and we have gotten so much use out of this in our garage. It even has wheels for moving it around without breaking your back, so it's super convenient. What we also love is that you can pour hot oil straight into it, so no waiting for it to cool. There's even a filter bag included to catch any bits and pieces. So your oil stays clean if you're going to reuse it. And when you're done, you just lock the lid and it's good to go. It's super sturdy, made of heavy duty carbon steel with a rust proof coating, so it's built to last. And so whether you're using it at home, in a restaurant, in the garage, it's definitely a lifesaver for keeping everything clean. Honestly, this little guy has made life so much easier for us, whether it comes to our oil in the fryer or the oil in the garage. If dealing with grease is your least favorite part of cooking or working in the garage, this might be exactly what you need.